Welcome back to Car Magica. The 2025 Volkswagen Corrado is making a stunning return. Reimagined for the modern era with a sleek, aggressive redesign that pays tribute to its legendary past while embracing future-ready tech. Recently caught testing on European roads, the all-new Corrado features a sharper, more angular body that signals Volkswagen's intent to revive its performance heritage with a bold new identity. The silhouette retains a sporty coupe-like profile but now incorporates a wider stance, lowered roofline, and sculpted character lines that add to its aerodynamic edge and road presence. At the rear, the redesigned taillights are now slimmer and stretch across the tailgate, emphasizing the coupe's width and performance-focused attitude. Up front, the 2025 Corrado showcases a fresh interpretation of Volkswagen's design language, featuring matrix LED headlights, integrated with a continuous light strip across the grille. A prominent lower intake gives the car a bolder, more aggressive face, reinforcing its sporty DNA. This redesigned front end also draws subtle inspiration from the iconic Scirocco and Arteon, blending nostalgia with cutting-edge styling to appeal to both longtime fans and new drivers. The side profile is sleek and purposeful, with flared wheel arches, frameless doors, and a tapering rear window that flows seamlessly into a subtle rear spoiler. Volkswagen has retained key elements that gave the original Corrado its cult following, including its driver-focused proportions and low-slung design, but updated it with modern materials and aerodynamics for better performance and efficiency. The signature rear spoiler is now active, adjusting automatically for better downforce and stability at higher speeds, enhancing both function and form. Under the hood, the 2025 Corrado will be offered as a hybrid-only model, a first for the nameplate. Buyers will be able to choose between a traditional turbocharged hybrid setup and a plug-in hybrid version. The base hybrid is expected to deliver around 240 horsepower, while the plug-in hybrid version could push that number closer to 280 horsepower, with up to 45 miles of electric-only range. This move not only boosts efficiency, but positions the Corrado competitively in the modern performance coupe segment. Both versions will use a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine paired with electric motors, with an optional all-wheel drive configuration to ensure maximum traction and driving excitement. The reborn Corrado is expected to debut officially by mid-2025, with sales beginning shortly after. The hybrid model will likely hit the market first, followed by the plug-in variant later in the year. Starting prices are projected to begin in the mid-$30,000 range, making the 2025 Volkswagen Corrado an enticing option for enthusiasts and everyday drivers seeking a sleek, powerful, and efficient compact performance coupe with deep roots and a bold future.